Hi, this is my go on a filament scale inside of a Drybox. I use an IKEA Drybox. It's a 10.6 liter Drybox, and all you need to do is install this filament inside of this box and run the filament through this Bowden tube, close the container, and you'll be ready to go. As you can see right now, I'm running this from a power bank. This would be the setup that you use if you're using it in Wi-Fi mode. In Wi-Fi mode, you will be transmitting all the values to an MQTT server. Of course, you can also run this cable to an Octoprint installation and use the delivered Octoprint plugin to have everything there. As you can see right now, the values measured are the weight of the remaining filament, the length of the remaining filament, the temperature inside the container, the relative humidity, and the absolute amount of water inside the container. I'm using silica pearls with an indicator, blue color indicator inside the filament container, so I maintain low humidity. This whole setup is prepared to use a reptile heating, 5 watt, 14 times 14 centimeter, 5 watt to keep a high temperature, but since I'm not using it right now, I have not included it.